Well, hello there, you two. I'm either being really brave or really stupid. I decided to, I've been sitting there waiting. It's been kind of a weird off and on day today. It looked like I got a break, but if you look at the clouds behind me that are coming, that's what's coming at me. It's coming up from the south. You can see blue up ahead of me, which is nice. But what is that my backpack rubbing inside the helmet? I don't know if you guys hear all that. But anyway, I wanted to do a test. I was actually going to send this mic back because it's in the incorrect one, but I ended up buying some adapters and thought I'd give it a try anyway. Because I haven't. Let me just tell you the story with the. Well, first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hit this highway here, which will be. I need to scrub some shit off the tires here before this car catches me. But I want to see how this thing works on the iron. As you guys know, this is the one I have the worst trouble with audio, because this little shield kind of speeds the air up on the helmet. It's a very clean, comfortable wind, but it's noisy on the helmet. And it makes recording audio really tough. I'm already seeing sprinkles. What makes that really not good? Oh, it's full on raining up ahead of me. That might be okay. That's rain up there. The problem is I don't have the GoPro is in a skeleton case. It is 100% wide open on the sides. And it totally distracted me on what I was saying. But anyway, I was going to tell you about the Drift HD Ghost microphone. So I ordered the thing off of eBay, and their Drift's current microphone has a stereo connector. Now, just like most lapel mics, it's not actually a stereo microphone. It just allows it to hit both, left and right channels. Because the new Drift HD Ghost is, if you put a stereo mic on it, it will record stereo, just like the GoPro here does. So hello there, YouTube. Do a little extra test on the Drift microphone on my GoPro Hero 3 Plus. I've got a substantial headwind, and I'm going 170. Just want to get an idea of how this mic performs in this crazy wind. Maybe we'll kick her up here a little bit. See what she does at about 90. Alright, so that's 90 miles an hour. See how that works. And that's I got a crazy headwind on top of this. So, I don't normally drive around 90 miles an hour on my 883. But that'll give me a good idea of how the mic performs.